This is how to clean the decent espresso machine screens and diffusers in there. This one looks kind of dirty. We'll turn off the machine first. There we go. The pad is really hot, so I don't want to get burned in my hand.
A few moments later.
So after the grip pad cools down, let's prepare one Phillips screwdriver. You can see from the mirror. Get the screen out. So just be careful because there is still some hot water. Yeah, can be dropped like this. But it's okay, it's being cooled down, so you take this one, and there is two stuff can be got up from there. There is one screen and one diffuser. This is the first step, but if you see in there, there is still one diffuser remained, and with 4 screws. So you can just get 4 screws out. And 4. There you go. There's 2 diffusers and 4 small screws and 1 big screw and 1 screen right there. Then goes to the sink. Diffusers and screen looks like after cleaning. Especially for the screen, this one is really cleaned up. You can see through the really tiny holes. And then put them back. This one is inside, this one goes to outside. One temperature probe goes through this hole. The probe is on here, this longer one here. Back inside. There we go, you can really see this temperature probe came out through the first diffuser. And put all 4 screws in there. And next step is putting this diffuser. You can see this hole. Right here is same like this hole. The temperature probe needs to go through this tiny hole. There you go. Then gently hold this. And then put the screen in there. There you go. And hold it. And then put the big screw back in. It's really important to hold this screen and diffuser until you screw this all in. Otherwise the diffuser came out from there, so it makes the water flows unevenly. There we go. Machine on. Put the drip tray back in. And we need to wait for the metal temperature goes up till about like 70 degrees. Otherwise you cannot start the machine yet.
A few minutes later.
The screen heated up so you can start the machine. But I want to see how the water comes out, like by the flow rate. So I'm gonna do the advanced setting. And let's see how the water comes out. Machine gives the water. First, this one is the slow flow rate, and they're getting faster. And then here's the maximum flow rate. So you can actually see the water comes out from all the way. And it stopped. So this is how to take the screen and two diffusers out and then clean it up and then put them back.